Reed Timmer ate a bucket of debris for breakfast with no milk. No, sour milk, without a spoon.
Reason Daffy Duck stutters because he saw Joel Taylor.
This one's for the camera guy, Chris.
I didn't hear a beat. I never heard a beat. Chris Chitter is so tough. He can...
Chris Chittick.
Chitter.
Chris Chittick. Yeah! Dominating. Jesus! Yeah, get some!
Wait.
What are you doing?
Chris Chittick. Chris Chittick is so tough, he gargles peanut butter.
Joel Taylor was Leonidas. There was no other...
Leonidas.
Leonidas. There was no other 299 men. It was just Joel Taylor. He took 4 spears to the throat and a gunshot. They had guns back then. It was a test gun, and they shot Joel Taylor, and he survived.
Chris Chittick one time saved a cat from a tree and then ate it. True story.
Reed Timmer's actually been dead for 10 years now. The Grim Reaper's just afraid to tell him.
Dominating.
Rum.
Chris Chittick won a game of Connect 4 in 3 moves.
Reed Timmer can get blackjack with only 1 card. True story.
Joel Taylor hides under the boogeyman's bed.
True story.
I'm saying.
TornadoVideos.net chases a storm. It's because the storm is running from TornadoVideos.net.
Ooh. True story.
Sean Casey could have finished Tornado Alley 10 years ago. He just should have followed Reed Timmer.
The Tiv's wheels fall off when they see the Dominator rolling in.
Not yet. Hold on.
Just do it.
Alright. Josh Werman checks his closet for Reed Timmer because he's scared.
Vortex 2 could still be funded by the government if only Reed Timmer had a Dow.
Sean Casey goes bald when he sees Reed Timmer.
I have hair.
In the beginning, there was Reed Timmer. Then God saw he was lonely and sent him Chris and Joel.
Chickens! Taylorids! Timmerids!
TornadoVideos.net!
Oh!